And welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, this will be a collaboration video featuring Allove hair. So they did send me a 24-inch 4x4 straight wig, human hair wig. I want to go ahead and show you guys the customization of this wig. So this is the customization of the wig. It is strictly just a middle part. It does come with two combs, one comb on this side, one comb on this side, and then it also does come with a comb in the back. And then you also have your adjustable straps. What I normally do is I go ahead and make sure I adjust the straps, because usually there's pretty much enough room already with the wig, so I just want to make sure it's extra secured. All right, you guys, so the hair is feeling really good. It looks really bouncy. Oh, I am so excited about this wig. It's looking so good. Feels really good, by the way, too. So I'm gonna go ahead and install her and I'll be right back. thing I want to say about this unit, y'all, is as you guys seen, my hands were going straight through the hair. Like the hair literally feels like butter, okay? It's going literally straight through the hair. I'm not getting any tangling, I'm not getting any shedding, even when I did cut the lace. Like literally not getting any tangling or shedding. And like I said, you guys, this is a 4x4, so I think this hair was like super easy to go ahead and install. I just feel like when there's not lace all over the place and you don't have to do all the gluing and all that, I think it's just so much easier to maintain. So with this 4x4, I really feel like it was just so easy to install. And as you guys seen, I did incorporate some baby hairs, and the baby hairs are literally easy. When you first get the wig, you're gonna see the baby hairs. Well, all you got to do is just move the hair and you'll definitely see the baby hair, so you won't have any complications with cutting your baby hairs and just, you know, putting them in. So I did a little over here, did some in the front, and, you know, did some on the side. I just wanted it to look just a little more natural. Now, if you don't want to do baby hairs, you don't have to. With this wig, I do kind of prefer it just the way it's like customized. I would definitely at least do a swoop over the front. Trust me, you'll want some baby hairs with this unit. As far as the lace blends perfectly. When I say perfect, perfectly with your hairline. The only thing you need to do is put your foundation on so you can go ahead and blend the lace. As far as the way this wig fits, it is very big head friendly, small head friendly. Again, I went on ahead and adjusted the straps just so that it can fit nice and snug on my head. But definitely you have no worries. This wig fits. Small head girls, big head girls, don't even worry about it. I did end up dyeing this hair jet black, just because it did come in as a natural color. So if you're seeing this right now, this is not how it's gonna come. You'll definitely need to dye it. I do prefer that you go ahead and dye the hair because I just feel like it makes the hair look so much silkier, and it's definitely giving silky, okay? This hair is also really light. I do think the hair is full, most definitely, but it's not too much. I think that this hair, somebody will definitely look at you and really think like, is that her hair? Like seriously, because the hair is not super duper thick and it's really light. So I really like that about the wig as well. As far as the length, I do think that it is true to length. This is a 24 inch. Oh, I can just imagine how the 26 inch would have looked. I was this close from saying the 26 inch, y'all, but I'm like, let me just see how this 24 inch gonna look. But most definitely, it's definitely giving. Like this length is very true to length. And like I said, when you can get hair from a company and they're giving you the length that you actually want and it's actually true to that length, definitely can appreciate that. Because if you're looking for a look, you really want them inches to show, okay? So this is definitely true to length, and I am 5'2.5". So if you're 5'2", this is definitely how long it's going to look on you. I want to go ahead and show you guys the packaging. So this is the Allove hair package. So they give you a card that says Allove, and it says wow, open with surprise. So obviously there's a surprise inside. And then they're just talking to you about the website. They're giving you their Instagram, and they're asking you to tag them whenever you do a picture, to receive $5 cash directly. They'll send you $10 cash directly, and then it says do the review on the products, and they'll send you a free 100% human hair wig. So definitely that's just another reason to get the wig. I mean, getting a wig to get another wig, come on now, you can't beat that. And then with the packaging, they also did give some wig caps. So y'all, I feel like I got endless wig caps, but I'm not complaining. So you could purchase this hair from alllovehair.com. I have, again, the 24 inch. This is $188.36. I do think that that is actually a very decent price for a 24 inch. Now it does go up to 26 inches. So if you feel like you just want to go just a little longer, again, I said I'm 5'2", so it's always gonna look mostly lots of lengths are gonna look longer on me. And Black Friday is coming up, you guys, so the prices will be even more better, so you can check this out. Do I think this wig is worth $188.39? Yes, I do. It's worth all your coin. If you're looking for a nice natural straight hair wig at a actually decent price, this is definitely the wig. Like, I am so happy with this install, you guys. You just don't know. Like, and this is like my go-to. Like, a black straight wig is definitely my go-to. So you guys, I have nothing bad to say about this wig. I am truly happy with this wig. I am so freaking happy. Like, thank you Allove Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. This is like a beautiful silky wig. Like, I love this. It is so freaking soft. I cannot express that enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, you guys. Make sure you go ahead and put in those comments below what you guys think about this unit. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will be making a special announcement soon, so make sure you guys definitely hit your post notification bell to stay updated. Like this video, share, and I will see you guys in my next one.